There is a soft omen around you today, a sign that your money energy is clearing, not through force, not through effort, but through release. You're thinking differently. You're feeling differently. You're expecting differently. You no longer tighten when you think about money. You no longer shrink when opportunity appears. You no longer fear being supported. This shift is cleansing your field. The old heaviness is dissolving. The old blocks are loosening. The old patterns no longer have power. Your wealth energy is becoming clearer, lighter, stronger. This omen confirms it. You're entering a phase where money responds to your calm, your clarity, your belief, not your fear, not your pressure, not your worry. Let this clearing continue. Your financial alignment is finally here.